10. What is the best leveling kit for Ram 2500 2025? Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ram 2500/3500 4WD 1.75-inch leveling kit. New body. Ready to give your new Ram 2500/3500 4WD HD truck that perfect, commanding stance? Our 1.75-inch leveling kit, 66 to 1918, is exactly what you need. Engineered with heavy-duty, laser-cut, powder-coated steel front top mount coil spring spacers, this kit provides a precise 1.75 inches of front lift, effortlessly eliminating the factory rake. Not only will your truck look balanced and aggressive, but you'll also gain the essential clearance to fit impressive 35-inch tires. These durable plate steel spacers are built to last, ensuring your investment pays off. Transform your Ram's aesthetics and capability effortlessly. Just remember, this kit isn't for power wagon or snow prep/ambulance package models. Get ready to turn heads. Number 9. 2-inch front leveling kit for 2013 to 2020 Ram 2500/3500 4WD. Ready to give your 2013 to 2020 Ram 2500/3500 4WD the commanding presence it deserves? Our 2-inch front leveling kit eliminates that factory nosedive, delivering a perfectly level stance that instantly upgrades your truck's aesthetic. Crafted from robust, powder-coated solid steel, these strut spacers with shock brackets are engineered for unwavering durability, resisting rust and deformation under any conditions. Beyond the rugged look, you'll gain a clearer, higher driving view of the road ahead. Best of all, this kit provides extra room for larger tires without sacrificing your Ram's legendary factory ride quality. Installation is straightforward, a direct bolt-on solution requiring minimal modification and basic tools. Transform your truck's profile and elevate your driving experience with confidence. Number 8. Ram 2500/3500 2-inch front leveling kit. Ready to unlock your Ram's full potential? Our 2-inch front leveling kit is the ultimate upgrade for your 2014 to 2024 Ram 2500 or 2013 to 2024 Ram 3500 4WD. This precision-engineered kit instantly levels your truck's stance, creating that commanding, aggressive look you desire while making space for larger wheels and tires. Crafted from robust 6061 T6 aluminum via CNC automatic processing, it boasts unmatched accuracy, 0.02 millimeters, and includes high-grade 12.9 heat-treated studs for superior durability. Installation is incredibly straightforward, typically taking just 1 to 2 hours without any cutting, drilling, or strut disassembly. Elevate your truck's aesthetics, conquer more challenging terrain with increased ground clearance, and experience a noticeable improvement in performance and style. Number 7. Heavy-duty 2.5-inch Ram 2500/3500 front leveling kit. Transform your Ram 2500/3500 4WD into a true powerhouse, ready for any adventure. Our heavy-duty 2.5-inch front leveling kit is meticulously engineered to give your truck that commanding, aggressive stance you've been craving, perfectly leveling your ride. Experience unparalleled ground clearance, confidently conquering rugged off-road obstacles, and effortlessly accommodating larger tires and rims. Crafted from durable 6061 T6 forged aluminum with CNC precision machining, every component ensures exceptional accuracy and stability, including robust, pre-installed 12.9 grade heat-treated studs. Installation is surprisingly simple, typically completed in just 1 to 2 hours without any cutting, drilling, or complicated strut disassembly. Upgrade your truck's appearance and capability with total confidence. Number 6. Ram 2500/3500 2.5-inch leveling kit, 14 to 24. Ready to truly unlock your Ram's potential? Rough Country's 2.5-inch leveling kit for your 2014 to 2024 Ram 2500/3500 delivers that perfect blend of performance, protection, and style you've been searching for. Say goodbye to the factory rake as this kit perfectly levels the front with the rear, giving your truck an aggressive, commanding stance that turns heads. Beyond just aesthetics, you'll gain unmatched ground clearance, empowering you to confidently conquer challenging on- and off-road obstacles. The best part? You'll maintain that smooth, OEM-like ride quality you already love. Installation is straightforward and DIY-friendly, fully supported by Rough Country. Plus, With our limited lifetime replacement warranty, you get ultimate peace of mind. Transform your Ram today. Number 5. 3.5-inch front leveling kit for Dodge Ram 4WD. Elevate your Dodge Ram's presence with our 3.5-inch front leveling kit. Designed for Ram 1500 94-01 and 2500/3500 94-13 4WD models. This kit features robust, powder-coated steel spacers. It expertly eliminates the factory rake, giving your truck a perfectly balanced, aggressive stance. Gain crucial ground clearance to confidently fit larger tires and wheels, transforming your Ram's aesthetic and unlocking superior on- and off-road capability. Installation is straightforward with included Grade 8 hardware, and it maintains your factory suspension geometry for a comfortable, controlled feel. Don't just drive your Ram. Own the road with an elevated look and enhanced performance. Backed by lifetime technical support, this is an investment in your truck's future. Number 4. Ram 2500/3500 2.5-inch leveling kit. Ready to give your Ram 2500/3500 4WD the perfect stance? Our 2.5-inch leveling kit transforms your 2014 to 2024 Ram 2500 or 2013 to 2024 Ram 3500 4WD only. Excludes 2WD and Mega Cab, eliminating that factory nosedive and adding crucial tire clearance. Engineered with precision, this kit uniquely includes essential shock relocation brackets to maintain your truck's comfortable, factory ride quality. No compromises here. Proudly made in the USA at our Buffalo, New York facility, we utilize aerospace-grade robotic pulse welds for unmatched strength and reliability. Finished with a durable black powder coat, it delivers lasting protection and a clean, integrated look. Elevate your Ram with confidence and superior American-made quality. Number 3. Ram 1500/2500/3500 3-inch front leveling kit. Ready to transform your Ram's look and capability? Our 3-inch front leveling kit delivers that commanding stance your truck deserves. Expertly forged from robust 6061 T6 aluminum with precision CNC machining, this kit ensures exceptional strength and stability, backed by premium 12.9 grade, corrosion-resistant bolts. You'll gain crucial ground clearance to confidently conquer off-road obstacles and easily fit larger rims and tires, achieving an aggressive, enhanced appearance. Installation is remarkably straightforward, typically completed in just 1 to 2 hours without any cutting, drilling, or strut disassembly required. Engineered for a wide range of specific 1994 to 2018 Ram 1500/2500/3500 2WD models, this isn't just a lift, it's an upgrade in confidence and style. Number 2. 2.5-inch front leveling lift kit for Ram 2500/3500. Give your 2014 to 2022 Ram 2500 4WD or 2013 to 2022 Ram 3500 4WD a commanding, level stance with our 2.5-inch front leveling lift kit. Precisely engineered, this kit delivers a true 2.5-inch front lift, perfectly counteracting factory rake for significantly improved aesthetics and crucial tire clearance. Installation is remarkably straightforward, typically taking just 1 to 2 hours with absolutely no cutting or drilling required, making it a perfect weekend project. Crafted with accurate numerical control precision, it ensures a safe and comfortable driving experience across all conditions. While component thickness may vary, the advertised lift is guaranteed. Elevate your truck's look and performance effortlessly. Measure from ground to fender to ensure the perfect fit and transform your Ram today. Number 1. Ram 2500/3500 2.5-inch front leveling kit. Ready to give your Ram 2500 or 3500 that commanding presence it deserves. Our 2.5-inch front leveling kit is engineered specifically for your 2014 to 2022 Ram 2500 4WD or 2013 to 2022 Ram 3500 4WD, excluding Power Wagon. Say goodbye to that factory rake and confidently run larger, more aggressive tires, all while gaining valuable ground clearance. Crafted from robust, protective-coated carbon steel, these spacers are built to withstand the elements without compromising your factory ride quality. No new shocks needed. This comprehensive kit includes all necessary hardware for a direct fit, making installation straightforward light drilling required. Drive with confidence knowing you have our lifetime technical support and a 1-year warranty backing your upgrade. So, that sums up my 10 what is the best leveling kit for Ram 2500. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.